What is energy? Imagine a world with no energy, a silent world where nothing can move, nothing can change. The ball remains completely still. Without energy, motion is impossible. The lamp stays dark. No light can shine without energy. The fire produces no warmth, no flames, no heat, because heat also needs energy. Everything is frozen in silence. Then something powerful enters the world. Energy. As energy spreads through the system, the silent world slowly begins to awaken. The ball starts to move. Motion becomes possible because of energy. The lamp begins to glow brightly. Energy produces light. The fire comes alive with heat and flames. Thermal energy is released. Now the world is active. Objects can move. Light can shine. Heat can be produced. In physics, energy is the ability to do work or produce change. Energy is everywhere.